Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances easy and straightforward. Today, we're diving into troubleshooting the F5 error code on your GE oven, specifically the 2025 models. If your oven is flashing that annoying F5 code and refusing to work, you're in the right place. This error usually points to an issue with the door lock mechanism, which can be caused by a faulty switch, loose wiring, or even just a misaligned door. Don't worry. With a few simple steps, you might have it fixed in no time. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, make sure to unplug your oven from the wall to avoid any electrical risks. Once that's done, let's begin with the basics. Open and close the oven door a few times gently. Sometimes, the door isn't latching properly, and this simple action can reset the error. If that doesn't work, grab a flashlight and inspect the door for any obstructions like crumbs or debris that might be preventing it from locking securely. Next, try a power cycle. Unplug the oven for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can clear temporary glitches in the control board. If the F5 code persists, you'll need to check the door lock assembly. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws around the oven's control panel or the area near the door latch. Look for any visible damage, like burnt wires or a stuck switch. If you spot something obvious, like a loose connection, secure it and reassemble everything. If you're not comfortable with this step or if the problem continues, it's time to call in a professional technician. They have the tools and expertise to handle more complex issues without risking further damage. Remember, always refer to your oven's manual for model-specific instructions, as GE ovens can vary. There you have it. A quick and effective way to tackle that F5 error code. We've covered the essentials in just a few minutes, saving you time and potentially some money. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.